So here we are. This is 2012 on, there's a bit of a dent there, Marella Discovery. Bit of dirt there, oh nice. So anyway, we're right near the lifts. So that's handy. So as we walk into the cabin, you've got a nice big wardrobe. It's got this weird kind of sliding motion. And you can hang up all your clothes and put your bags in there. That's done. And then this side we've got a telephone. And then we've got the heating controls. And then we've got this, plenty of storage. Nice big lights here, haven't we?
Yeah, very nice.
Like double couch, as you can see there.
Yep.
Sofa, depending on your region. More doors, drawers, a bin. We've got a safe. We've got a sweet impersonator. Know who Sweet is?
Squeezy.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, Jeffrey, why don't we do this? And I think of Sooty. Sooty didn't make a noise, did he? I don't know. Moving on. Two beds. There's loads of mirrors. This amazing mirror. Look how much room it gives you optical illusion. So whoever designed the ship made great use of the space, etc. Coming back down here, we do have another mirror, fantastic, and the bathroom. Now you think the bathroom's not that exciting, but the bathroom's really nice actually. And there's plenty of room. It's probably one of the best bathrooms. It's a big bathroom actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really big. Then we have this lovely view, which isn't lovely because it's all that. What do you call that stuff? Sea breeze?
Yeah. Fret.
Fret. Unfortunately, it ruins the whole look or the view.
But you've got a nice little view. You can just see the sun setting there.
I can only just see the sun setting. So that's the downside with that. So, what else is the downside of this cabin? Any downsides for you?
Not really, no. There's plenty of storage space.
It's a big cabin. There's plenty. Let me stand
Storage space.
all the way here. There's plenty of storage space compared to like an MSC, like we did the other week. So, a couple of downsides.
You've got
Forgetting about it being dated, that kind of stuff, the stuff you can't fix, and this probably fits into that category. Suitcases.
fit in there nicely.
They fit in there nicely, but they don't fit under the beds. Where I normally like to put them under the beds. You could probably fit them in here, but probably could fit them in there. They don't fit under the bed. And there's only one plug socket, so that's a bit of a downside. Well, there's not one plug socket. They're all about the same thing. So if you used to have it like the modern things where you plug them into a lamp, etc., there's none of that. But that's not the biggest problem. The biggest problem with this cabin is, I'll show you. No one talks about this. No one talks about this. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and everybody comes through this door, armed and dangerous, to do their wonderful work and do all the cabins. Amazing work. Amazing. The staff here are fantastic, by the way. It's not aimed at them. Nothing's aimed at them. You can't beat them. They bring all the trolleys through this door, and they have like a little team brief here about 8 o'clock in the morning. And then, if you're like a light sleeper, let alone the fact it's handy for the lifts, but also you can hear the lifts and announcements. But the main thing has been the staff, and they're coming through that little hole. Like I say, it's not the staff; it's just where the thing's positioned. Because the staff are fantastic. Look at this. Beautiful animals you don't get anymore, but here they are for us today, aboard the Marella Discovery. So, can I put my phone and get a view, which is, no. There? No. How about, no. Okay. Am I whinging? Maybe. I don't know. Right. But on that note, this is 2012 Marella Discovery. If you've enjoyed watching this camera review and want to know more about the ship and what to do, today is our food day. We've eaten so much food, Granite Joe's about to pop, quite possibly. And I'm currently doing some research for you guys on this. So it's good night from myself.
And good night from me and my towels.
Oh, his towels.
Oh, You get a little notice saying that if you don't thing it, they charge you £10.
Yes, so if you don't return your towels, you get paid £10. There's no way to refresh the towels either, as far as I can work out, but we'll let you know. And good night and sweet.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye, Mr. Squeak.
Bye.